We Gen Zs likes fashion and wants to be in fashion all the time. And for this, we take inspiration from a lot of places like social media influencers, Pinterest, and fashion magazines. But the challenge is to getting what we really want. And for this, we are providing solution to Myntra today. So we are basically working on two main problem statements, which are trend-eccentric recommendations and social shopping integration. In trend-centric recommendation, our first suggestion is getting personalized trendy wardrobe. It will have a personalized trendy wardrobe based on three parameters, that is recently purchased item, images which we can upload in our wardrobe, and the trending ones. Considering these three parameters, we will get a recommendation for shopping and then we can purchase our desired clothing. Second solution is onboarding fashion designers. This feature can be very trendy for fashion savvy people who want to make customized dressings for them. Nowadays, many people are reaching out to tailors and telling them what they want and making them make that dress. So we can onboard fashion designers to specially customize those dresses for us. So it will be very trendy and very handy for all the people who wants to be in fashion and likes customizable dresses. Third is the 3D avatar. With 3D avatar, which will have same body type as us and the same skin color as us, we can see how a particular dress or makeup is looking on us so that it will be at ease. So we can be at ease to purchase that thing. Fourth is we can optimize pricing strategies as Myntra, which can have a lot of competitors. So we can optimize our pricing strategies according to something which is trending. We can fluctuate our prices according to the trendy items so that more people can purchase that thing from our store, our Myntra store. Fifth solution is adding long prompt search. This is very handy for people who are looking for specific type of clothing in our app. This feature can make the customer shopping journey more accessible. Moving on to our second problem statement, which is social shopping integration. So our second solution is, as we are scrolling a lot of social media to get the fashionable and trendy clothes, so in Myntra we can add a technology where if we are scrolling somewhere and then the AI technology can scan the particular cloth which we are seeing on our screen at that time, and then we can get a pop-up that hey, we have that thing in our app and you can purchase from there. This will make Myntra a go-to store for all the fashion-savvy people. Our second solution in this problem statement is AI-generated trendy clothes. So what we can do is we can generate trendy clothes according to the AI, like AI will detect what is in the trend and it will make the trendy clothes. And then we can create virality among around these trendy clothes. We can send these type of clothes to big and small influencers and why small? Because small influencers are more relatable to all the people. So they can help us to create virality around that product and then it can be sold out easily. Apart from these two, we can add fashion blogs in our app. Nowadays, as we can see that Gen Zs are into reading, they read a lot. Like we are seeing recently Medium and Quora are being used a lot by the Gen Zs because they like to read. We can add a fashion blog thing in our app where the big fashion influencers can write blog about the certain product and what they are liking and which is in trend, which can help us to be more trendy and can make us education, like can make us fashion literate. And also one small thing which we can do is opening pop-up stores. Pop-up stores are the temporary Myntra stores which we can open in those places where there's a high concentration of online shoppers. This facility, they can enjoy offline shopping and in-person shopping experience with Myntra. And we can make them use AR technology there, like how they can use AR in shopping online. So after that offline AR shopping experience, they can relate to it while using it online during shopping. The interactive AR experience attracts customers and drive engagement in it.